So one of the other ways that I do exit tickets, which is probably one of the most popular ways that I use them, is through Google Forms. And I call it an exit ticket / status of the class, depending on what I'm doing. So frequently I have the kids moving at their own pace. And this happens a lot with Makerspace with all the units that I do. And so this gives me a good status of the class so I know what they're working on. So when you go into Google Drive, more Google Forms, I'm going to create and share. And so one of the things I'm thinking about is at the beginning of the school year, they're going to be doing a lot of work and learning a lot of routines and procedures, as well as demonstrating that learning. So I'm going to call this living. Ooh. I always forget how long it takes for Google Forms to load. So this is living in the library. I'm going to click up here to name it that. Untitled question, name. One of the things I love about Google Forms is that it automatically recognizes name as a short answer, and I'm going to make that required. And then my next question is, what did you work on today? Now, this one I typically do as a checkbox just because sometimes they'll finish one thing and start working on another. So I might, so one of the things, book circulation is one choice they're going to have. Another choice is moving in the library. Comic-Con 2018 is another thing they're going to be doing. I actually have to check in my Canvas stuff to see, oh, how do we use library furniture? All right. This is going to be a required question. So usually I do this and then I do a check to see like how comfortable they feel with it. So this one I'm not, just because I'm going to have them post evidence in Seesaw, and then I'm going to use Seesaw as a way to evaluate their skills through there. Next, so instead I'm going to do next time I am ready to, and actually, you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete. I am going to just duplicate this question. So where's the option to copy it? Here it is. So I'm going to click copy. Next time I am going to. This way it gives it a little bit of goal planning. And instead of a checkbox, I'm just going to do a multiple choice so that way they just do that. And that will give me a good snapshot of what they're working on and where to go. So I don't know. One of the things I love doing is choosing the backgrounds. And we got to work in school. Again, takes a while for it to load. I love the Jelly Bean one. I hardly ever use it, but I might use it this time. Actually, I'm going to use the bricks because we're laying the foundation, quote unquote. I'm going to double click it. It will load. Awesome. So this is another one where I'm ready. I'm going to click send, and I'm going to grab the link and I'm going to shorten it because I give them usually the shortened URL, and I also create a QR code for them just in case the QR code doesn't work.